Guys, good morning. Here in Bhopal, not outskirts, but decently close to the city. We are staying at Fairyland Clarkson. Decently good hotel for 2000 rupees. Mind the mess. It's 11 o'clock right now, so we rented a taxi and heading out to visit few nearby places to see, like the Shanti Stupa, some caves, and Bhojpur temple. These are few things that we are planning to see now. In the early evening, we'll see the upper lake and other places. I'm all set and ready to go. We're not taking the bikes because it's kind of hot and we don't know about the parking scenario there, so we just rented a car which would cost us roughly 600 per head, which is okay. That's the burden of having expensive bikes on these rides. Car's coming in 15 minutes.
అదొక చెప్పి 15 minutes.
ఎప్పుడో పెట్టావు అది
అంటే వాడు చెప్పాడు రా టైము ఓకేనాడు ఏ కంపేర్ టు అవర్ రూమ్ దిస్ ఇస్ మచ్ బెటర్ బట్ దీస్ గైస్ హార్డ్లీ స్లెప్ బికాస్ దీస్ లైట్స్ వర్ ఆన్.
whatever you see on was on.
This was on throughout the night till 3 a.m. So there's a problem with the switch there. What does this painting remind you of? I say a woman.
I don't see anything. I see a moon.
I thought that's more like the bindi. This is like lips, ears. Time to explore Bhopal. 1, 2, 3. We moved to the Innova. Initially we had some issue about covering all the locations. They were arguing about the distance that was set అయ్యో వెనకాల కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉన్నట్టుంది. కంఫర్టబుల్ ఫెలో
ఇద్దరు బక్కలు కాబట్టి కంఫర్ట్ గా ఇంకా
we don't have much space anyway here. Usually you can go up directly up there, but then the police stopped and asked people to park here. Time to walk. Kishore, Kerala గుర్తుందా? ఒక కొండపైకి ఎక్కాం.
అది మెట్లు కానీ ఇప్పుడే
కానీ అదే ఇక్కడ
అది నిద్రలేసిన వెంటనే నడవాలంటే కష్టం రా.
I know. That's the Shanti Stupa. Don't know much of history, but one of the most famous stupas in India, not just in Madhya Pradesh and Bhopal.
ये यूनेस्को साइट है.
हाँ ये भी है और एक भी है ना वो केव्स भी है यहाँ पे 2 यूनेस्को साइट्स है ना
भीमबेटका है.
हाँ भीमबेटका.
Gautamiputra Satakarni, the Satavahana ruler, built gates. He's from AP.
జై బాలయ్య.
Yeah, Vienna ikkada. బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసావు.
Chala.
బోత్ టూ బ్రదర్స్.
Both the brothers. Both the brothers.
Both the brothers.
He like
So much you like history so much?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Mythology and history.
Mythology.
And history.
Okay, mythology we also like, but history.
Lovely place. Must go.
Me, Kishore, and Shriman. We saw for a while, and then we wanted to do our own exploration, not with the guide.
What will you understand? Right? If you go
We don't want to
Don't
understand.
involve me. Actually, I was with them half of the time.
Huh?
I was taking pics from a first floor.
Kuzera.
I was taking pictures of them.
At
from
the
the
end.
first floor,
At
like-
the end.
No, not at the end. At the beginning.
నేను
అది
ఇన్వాల్వ్
first
చేయదంటే సి యు ఆర్ ఆల్సో నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ సో మచ్. అదే చెప్పిన వీఆర్ ఆల్సో నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్. We wanted basic information, but these guys were much more deeply interested in personal interest here. कुछ नहीं. And the guide was actually very excited to tell you a lot of stuff, right?
Obviously, because we were interested, we were speaking to him about a little bit of history of India and all that.
Yeah.
So
Next.
if you know a little bit, they'll also show that enthusiasm
Yeah.
and they'll explain you more stuff.
Usually not many pay for the guide. The guide got someone to speak to about this information. Not many Indians take the guide actually. Next, Bhimbetka Caves. What is the prominence for that since you are history expert?
So it has got
belongs
literally
to Homo sapiens, that is us.
it
So
belongs
that
to
is
the
my
early humans and it's got
నువ్వు
paintings.
హోమోసేపియన్ కాదురా, నువ్వు మంకీరా.
So it's got paintings from about close to 30,000 years old.
30,000 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
So early human civilization, not even civilization, when humans were cavemen,
Acha.
it is from that era.
Google says the place is closed. Hopefully not. Rock shelters of Bhimbetka. He was the one who found it. Tirakara. Slow motion though. ఏదో యూ ఫౌండ్ అవుట్ సంథింగ్.
దీంట్లో లేదురా,
చెప్పు,
ఆ గైడ్ చెప్తే నేను చెప్పా.
చెప్పు పర్లేదు. బీ అవర్ గైడ్.
చేసుకోవాలి and
సో వెన్ వాళ్ళెవరు పాండవాస్ వరణ్యవాసమా అరణ్యవాసమా?
వనవాసం. వనవాసం కాదు, అరణ్యవాసం.
అరణ్యవాసం.
అరణ్యవాసం కాదు, అది అది
ఎగ్జైల్
రామాయణం.
ఎగ్జైల్ ఎగ్జైల్
ఎగ్జైల్ అని చెప్పుకుందాం.
ఎగ్జైల్. వాడు చూడు అనన్య పాండే అంట, నాకు చంకీ పాండే ఇష్టం రా.
సో భీమ్ మ్యాటర్ కదా.
భీమ్ స్టేడ్ హియర్ ఫర్ 1 year. దట్స్ వాట్ ద గైడ్ సెడ్.
ఆ టైంలో వెళ్ళాలన్నమాట.
చెప్పా కదా
అదే ordered veg manchuria, veg noodles, gulab jamun from this place called Manohar. Really good. Cleaned it up. Gulab jamun still left for these guys. Thought someone will share.
Oh, the reason I'm waiting is I ordered waffles. So
Wow. Awful. Very awful. Shibui. Packing అయిపోయింది. ఇలా బ్యాగ్లో పెట్టాలి. నైస్ ప్యాకింగ్ క్యూబ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ అమెజాన్. లింక్ ఇన్ ద డిస్క్రిప్షన్. ఎక్కడ్రా మీ ఫుడ్ ఎక్కడ్రా? భోపాల్స్ ఓవర్ బడి.
take 2.
I spoke for 2-3 minutes, didn't hit the record button. Vlogging kashtalu. Enjoyed Bhopal?
Yeah.
Next, Jaipur. Excited? We haven't been to Rajasthan, Jaipur. And this is first time Kishore's coming on a bike to Rajasthan area. Jaipur hotel expectations enti?
పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది.
Big hotel. It's a big hotel. We got it for a good deal. So hope you enjoyed the visit to the caves and the stupa. Next one will be at the right to Jaipur. So stay tuned. Welcome to a lovely, chilly, cold morning here in Bhopal. 18 degrees. Nice. I love this weather in the morning here. Should have started 1 hour early, but things got delayed. Just want to double check something. Yes, same thing that I did in Kerala. Kept it but didn't lock it. Then I remembered that the lock wasn't there. These things shouldn't happen here, because I was fearing whenever we hit a speed breaker or uphill section, the top case would just fall. ETA 7 p.m. I think we can make it before that. Straight row. Watch out for the intersection. Raja Bhoj Setu. Sweet, yeah. Nice, yeah. Very well maintained, very well kept, and lovely views. So I think if you come early morning, maybe you can go boating also. Very scenic, right? City Majjalo. Lovely place. Hey, rainbow at that cleaner, water cleaner. Bantipool. And till Biora there is a 4-lane road. So till there I think we can keep good pace. First fuel stop of the day. Have a range of 55 kilometers. We can still go further, but just want to be on the safe side. ETA we saved at least 30 minutes so far. Another 550 kilometers and 9 hours 45 minutes. For 60 more kilometers the road's good. After that we get a single lane road. Left లో biker. మనకి మధ్యాహ్నం ఉంటుంది భయ్యా. అది రాజస్థాన్ వెళ్తున్నాం మనం. Barren lands of middle India, deserted. Another 140 kilometers or 50 kilometers on this single lane road. This is the deviation I was talking about in the video earlier. This will slow down the pace quite a lot. The initial pace was pretty good. In 1.5 hour or 1 hour 40 minutes we did around 120 kilometers, so that was pretty good. But now we have hit the single lane straight away, and as you can see, a lot of overtaking, a lot of traffic. Just have to watch for people crossing, and be careful whenever you have these single lane highways, because you have a lot of villages coming through, a lot of traffic, and you need to focus your attention quite a lot. Small bit of lack of concentration can wreak havoc. And luckily we have Senna, so we communicate on the Senna to warn people ahead of traffic. So Suju is leading now. I think Rochi is the tail, and we'll have the sweep sometimes. This petrol bunk is in Madhya Pradesh still. This is Rajasthan. As you can see, barren lands continue. In the near horizon I see nothing but road and empty land. We are in the land of Rajasthan. And when you're in Rajasthan, few things that you commonly find are camels and forts. There is a decent fort and a temple on top. Nice, yeah. Old railway crossing. Very well done. And from here we have 4-lane road till Jaipur. ఇంకా హెజార్డ్లు ఉన్నాయి, చూసుకోండి. ఇంటర్సెక్షన్స్ సడన్గా జనాలు వస్తుంటారు. 4-lane వచ్చినా we have to be careful. We are bypassing Kota and going directly to Jaipur. Hopefully we can find a place for lunch. All of us are hungry. 277 kilometers to go. Current ETA is 6 o'clock. We got it down by an hour, including breaks and all. We stopped only for 45 minutes throughout the ride so far. Very good pace for the road. And that's the city of Kota. That's a very big suspension bridge. And look at the reflection, light reflections. Nice. Amazing construction. Look. A pillar, perfectly laid pillar.
और जैसे अपन घर पे खाते हैं ना राजस्थानी खाना, जैसे खाया जाएगा।
अच्छा, सर राजस्थानी में आप कैसे खाते हैं? इसके ऊपर डाल के खाता है?
इसके ऊपर डाल के खाते हैं सर, जैसे आज से खाते हैं, जैसे आदि में दाल मिला लिया।
हाँ,
वैसे
सही है।
और आदि में आलू प्याज की सब्जी मिला ली साहब। ऐसे फिर हाथ से खाया जाता है।
सब मिलके खाना है.
और चटपटा खाना हो तो ये चटनी होती है लहसुन और प्याज की।
Allow me.
Jannat.
40 spoons of ghee. 39 spoons of ghee. Note leoga the mixture. How is it?
But इसको नहीं share करना माँ.
Done. I can share. My plate's done. I'm okay for another half a roti. Mixed roti. They call it mixed roti and it feels healthy. Organic lag raha hai. 4 hours, 250 kilometers, ETA of 7 p.m. We might do it in by same time or maybe half an hour really. Just had that amazing, lovely lunch, man. Best food since we started from Hyderabad. Roadside dhaba, but the way they made it was good. Hope you enjoyed it. It tasted really good and healthy except for the ghee part and him using his hands to mix it, but that's okay. If we have come this far, sometimes we have to take that risk and let's hope for the best. It's 31 degrees, doesn't seem hot but very bright as you can see, and whenever we have sun on our face it hits it really hard, and in that regard it's not the most enjoyable, but on the go it's fine. When you're idle the sun is very hard on you with this riding gear and all. అరే లిటరల్లీ చీకటిగా ఉంది గ్లేర్ చేస్తే ఒక్కటే మధ్యలో లైట్ పట్టుకుని పోతున్నట్టుంది. ఓ బాయ్, ఐ couldn't see anything with the glares on. We're like 150 kilometers from our hotel. Let's stop here for quick chai. Decent chai. Somehow not getting a great chai here. Hopefully we get a good chai at least in Jaipur. We're taking the Jaipur ring road. We have to take a U-turn and go back towards city. This is going towards Ajmer. Jaipur city, that way. Almost 27 kilometers. And I think the ring road is done. Watch out, lot of traffic, boys. Be careful merging. Chalo, we've hit Jaipur traffic. We will traverse this traffic and then probably we'll catch you guys at the hotel. See, that's our palace hotel, La Meridian Resort Palace. Just checked into our hotel and took a quick hot shower. And the reason I'm in the lobby and showing you this video now is because the moment we came in, we felt very dirty. I want to give you a clean view of this lovely premises. Well, you'll get to see it more in the next vlog. But in this vlog, I'll just give you a brief glimpse of the room and how it looks in the night time. Okay? Just to give you a brief glimpse of how big the room is, there is Shriman. Itna acha. Here, somewhere. అంటే కంపారిజన్కి ఎంత పెద్ద రూమ్ అని. అండ్ యాజ్ యూజువల్ ఎవ్రీ రూమ్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ వీ పర్చిఫై అవర్ రైడింగ్ గేర్, bags and stuff. This is the washroom. That's the sink. Also moisture from my shower. WC area. And ta-da! Tub and the shower. All this for just 3,000 rupees per night. The other room was a little expensive because 3 persons stay there. So ordered some sarson ka saag, paneer curry. This is papad mangodi, Rajasthani local cuisine. Masala bati and churma. He's having non-veg. We ordered pasta for Ruchi and misi roti. This looks local food. How's non-veg?
It's okay.
Okay.
It's 5-star, you can understand.
Buffets in 5-star hotels are not that great. And I think the buffet we had in Mahabaleshwar was
The best.
The best of it so far.
No, Taj.
Taj, Goa. Goa,
Next
yes.
level.
I'm trying local dishes, so maybe these can be better. Let's see. How do you know I turned on the camera?
నీ కెమెరా ఆన్ చేయగానే ఇట్లా మ్యాగ్నెట్ లాగా అతుక్కుపోతారా?
బలిలాగా అతుక్కోపోతే చాలు. Chalo, we're done for today. Almost 620 kilometers and 11.5 hours thanks to Srujan, who took so many breaks, chai breaks. I hope you enjoyed this vlog today. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good night.